Want to turn your brain into a memory machine? Imagine being able to recall information effortlessly, like flipping through the pages of a book in your mind. Check out these 5 tips to ace your exams. Tip number 1, visualization. Our brains love pictures. They are wired to remember images better than plain text. When studying, turn facts into vivid mental images. Imagine the information as a colorful, dynamic scene in your mind, like watching a history movie in your head. This makes the information more engaging and easier to recall. Next up, the memory palace. Picture your home and place different facts in specific rooms. Each room can hold a different set of information. When you need to recall them, just walk through your mind's palace. This method leverages spatial memory to enhance recall. Tip 3, chunking. Break down big info into smaller chunks. This makes complex information more manageable. Instead of tackling a whole chapter, digest it section by section. Easy peasy. This way, you can focus on one piece at a time without feeling overwhelmed. Tip 4 combines active recall and spaced repetition. Test yourself and spread out your study sessions. This helps reinforce the information over time. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to keep things fresh. These tools are designed to optimize your study sessions and improve retention. Finally, a healthy lifestyle. Exercise, eat well, and sleep enough. Physical health directly impacts cognitive function. Your brain needs fuel and rest to function at its best. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep are crucial. There you go. 5 tips to develop a photographic memory and ace your exams. Implement these strategies and watch your memory improve. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share with friends. Spread the knowledge. Good luck and see you next time. Keep practicing and stay motivated.